It is a vast industry which has fostered an array of international top 500 enterprises, such as HP, Samsung, Canon, Xerox, and so on. It is a high-tech industry which incorporates various disciplines and technologies, ranging from sophisticated machinery, fine chemicals, laser scanning, electrostatic imaging, IC microelectronics, to software. It is a monopolistic industry inaccessible for nearly 20 years, under the control of more than 300,000 patents and razor and blades business models. However, today, the pattern has been altered by a Chinese enterprise, Sign Technology Company Limited, who became the miracle. The global printing and imaging industry is focusing on technological innovation, business scale, and strength and technological patents. The technology in this industry advances at a tremendous pace, developing from stylus printing to inkjet printing, laser printing to 3D printing, monofunctional to multifunctional, low speed to high speed, and wire printing to cloud printing. Depending on its ceaseless innovations and well-balanced global business layout, Sen maintains its industrial growth at a high rate of over 30%. After securing the leading rank in the industry of printing supplies, Sen establishes itself again in the printer industry, introducing its first laser printer with self-developed core technology. So far, there are no companies, other than Sen, able to span over the two industries in the world. Sen has now emerged into an industrial group in printing and imaging, which encompasses ink cartridges, toner cartridges, ribbons, chips, and components, as well as laser printers. Meanwhile, it has expanded into a transnational giant composed of over 30 subsidiary companies and 300 agents running business in more than 100 nations and regions worldwide, stretching from China to the US, Japan, and European Union. The rapid growth of Sen astounded the industry and drew substantial attention. Inheriting the past and exceeding the future, with a loyal, practical, well-trained, and efficient team, Sen continues to stand out in the industry, surpassing itself and its rivals as well. In collaboration with top universities, Sen established several R&D platforms, which constantly invigorates the sustainable development of the industry. Sen values and respects intellectual property rights. A multiple of proprietary trademarks and patents are filed at home or abroad. It has become the only enterprise entitled, as a printer manufacturer, to authorize the use of patent, constructing the largest patent technology platform in the field. Sen has long-term business relations with prestigious law firms in Europe, US, and Japan, constructing the strongest legal services platform to maximize the protection for clients' interests and consumers' rights, which lays a solid foundation for the company's sustainable development. Sen in the industry, first to develop the encryption chip technology for the universal ink cartridge, first to introduce the technology of the micro-pressure valve to supply ink and the technology of the conversion adapter for the printhead, first to develop the proprietary patented technology of compatible toner cartridge, first to develop the new pigment ink by which the colored images will not fade for over 100 years. The industrialization of laser printers, which takes other multinationals over a decade to accomplish, was achieved by Sen within 4 years, a legend in this industry. Sen thrives from the quality of its products. It pioneered the introduction of SAP system, monitoring the quality of the products throughout the whole process, from the material incoming, manufacturing, testing, and accepting to after-sales services. Raw materials for the supplies are selected from those of the best quality. Key parts of the laser printer are provided by world-famous suppliers. Sen has fully implemented its global quality control system at a high level, guaranteed by multiple safety certifications, thus winning the trust from its customers around the world with its high quality. Sen's ink cartridge is the first choice of many professional photographers to print and output images in international photography shows. Sen's toner cartridge is accredited by ITC for the use of STMC logo, being the first company in this industry. Sen's laser printer is crowned as the highly recommended for customers by BLI, a US famous assessment laboratory. Sen is always market-oriented and operates strategically in marketing and brand promotion. Sen establishes its efficient sales and service platform across the world and maintains close ties with clients from over 100 countries. It also has presence in many large-scale international exhibitions. Sen, in cooperation with distributors, has over 800 outlets in more than 100 cities and 30 provinces in China, and is endorsed by Ms. Li Bingbing, the well-known movie star. It achieves the overall success of the industrial chain through ceaseless technological innovation, full range of products, one-stop solution, and efficient customer service. Sen runs on the principle of take responsibility for society, provide service for customers, realize dreams for employees, and create profits for shareholders. The laser printer developed by Sen is a breakthrough in the industry, monopolized by multinational companies for 30 years, which made China the fourth nation in the world to develop laser printers. Sen makes an effort to minimize the impact on the environment by incorporating the eco-friendly concept into the full life cycle of the product. Sen cares about social public service. It regards its employees as the best asset and emphasizes their growth within the company. Sen gains strong support from the government with its sound enterprise management and outstanding social contribution, which garners attention from the industry and the trust from customers. A high-tech industrial park, which can accommodate 20,000 people, is under construction. It is from here that China's printer industry will be on track, and the Pantum laser printer will take off for its international journey, continuing the legend of this industry.